Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Blanca, and in today's video, as you probably see from the title, I'm gonna be talking about eyebrow tinting. I am doing eyebrow tinting since like forever, since I was in the high school, because my eyebrows are very light. This is fake blonde, but I am blonde and my eyebrows are usually light, just like my eyelashes. And to prove it that I have even like using long time, I have this old henna for eyebrows from back in the days. I don't know why I still have it, but I do. And yeah, I know this is weird, but this was my favorite. So every time I'm going back to my country, I'm looking for it because this was the best, the gray one. But yeah, today I'm gonna be talking about differences and which one is actually better, the Just for Men, and this one, it's from the dollar store, so it's for $1. I do it obviously because yeah, mine are light, and it's great to do it too because, you know, like we have all these small tiny little eyebrows that you can't really see. They get tinted too, so there's a little hair in between the longer ones, so that's kind of give better dimension, and it looks like we have more of the eyebrows. And I don't know if how you have it, but I have favorite eyebrow. Obviously, like they both always have to be different. So I just noticed that like the hair just growing less in there, so the eyebrow tinting also helps with like it tints a little bit the skin, so it helps to like filling in the gaps in between. Okay, so I was using the Just for Men, and let me tell you, it's good. It lasts long because it comes like in this kind of tube I was already using, and you can reuse it. You can't really use this brush obviously because it's too big, but what I noticed, it's more expensive, but what I noticed, it doesn't last that long. My husband using for his hair, and usually it comes off after first wash. With the eyebrows, maybe a little bit longer, maybe 2 weeks, but it doesn't last long. And with the amount of skincare that like we're using, especially if you're using any products with vitamin C, ascorbic acid, that will lighten up the eyebrows, so that's why they fading too. So I found it in dollar store, this one, and this one, it's been my favorite. First of all, because it's for $1. Second, let me show you. It comes obviously with the instruction inside the box. There's instructions. It comes with the little tray where you're mixing it. It comes with the gloves, with the little brush, which one you can use it to mix it up. Not necessarily with the brush, but you can use the other side. I use the Q-tip also to mix it. Then it comes with these two packages. One is obviously the developer, and the other one is the colorant, black one. I use black because it stays longer, and it's not really that black, so it's good. I don't really look good in brown, but if you like brown, you can get in brown also. What else I'm using? I'm using little brush to apply. Sometimes I use the special brush for the eyebrows. What you have to be careful with, it's to don't go too much around. You can always, to protect your skin, use some kind of oil, like maybe coconut oil, or use some kind of moisturizing cream, or you can basically, when you see it, like right away when you're applying and you see it's not straight, you can just wipe it off immediately, so that helps, and the skin is not gonna get tinted because that gets faster than your eyebrows. Before you apply, also you want to use a wipe it with the alcohol to just remove all the oils from it, to make sure that it's gonna get the color that you want. Okay, let's apply it now. So we have this one pack. This also can be reusable. I usually close it tight and have it for the next time. The other one is better because yeah, it's closed, but I don't use this one. Alright, so it's open. I'm gonna put even amount of both to make sure that I should use scissors to make sure that we have it 50-50. For me, even if I have too much made, I can always give it to my husband and then he can do his gray hair. So I have this amount. I know this is like too much obviously for eyebrows, but this package is very big. Now I'm gonna mix it with the developer. Try the same amount. Since I have that much, I'm gonna use the brush to mix it. I remember when I was in high school, my mom used to do the eyebrows for me. So easy. And yeah, I forgot to mention this one, the dollar store package. It lasts longer than just for men. Seriously, it lasts about a month. This is now about 1 month since I did it last time. So that's how it looked like. I don't have no makeup, so you can see there's still not that light, so it's good. Alright, so it's mixed. That's how it looked like. Mixed. And it doesn't evaporate that fast. I don't really use any cream or oil around to protect, because like if you're careful, I think you don't really need it. Alright, I'll use the other mirror. You just want to make sure that you go also in between. I like to apply a lot so it's really cover. Okay, so it's all applied. I put like a really thick layer on it to make sure that everything is covered. But the good thing about it is that when you wipe it off and you see it's not even, or you missed a spot or something, you can reapply it and do it again. This box from the dollar store, it's saying that it also conditions while it colors. Oh, and it's only for facial hair, obviously. Make sure you do an allergy test. Usually you can do it on that side of the wrist to see if there is any reaction to it. It looks scary. I think it's ready, and I can remove it because I usually wait when it's like very dark. I don't really look at the time. But yeah, if you're not used to of doing it, look at the time. I usually take the wipe and do it with the wipe. I am not worried if there's anything on the skin, because whatever is on the skin, it usually comes off with wash. Especially, like I said, if you're using skincare or with the vitamin C or, you know, face wash that includes vitamin C, it's gonna get lighter. It looks like it's okay. I don't really think I need to add anything to my favorite brow, but my less favorite, I don't think I can fix it because I don't really have hair in that spot. Yeah, it looks even, I think. I don't think I have to fix it. Yeah. So that's how it is. This is the black one. So as you see, they're not coming out like crazy black, that it's like weird and it's gonna wash. But this is my favorite one, guys. It's $1. It stays longer for about a month, and it's saying conditions while you color. You can reuse it for many times. I still have a lot of left that I'm gonna give it probably to my husband to use it, but still there's a lot in the package to use. So obviously you don't have a lot of uses. Let me know if you like the video, share with your friends, family. Let me know if you try it, if you try other brands, and what you think, how long it stays. I'm telling you, try the $1 store. And yeah, subscribe to see my future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.